Introducing the CalibroFlexGauge, the ultimate solution for precision measurement on the shop floor. Tired of long wait times for standard room results while expensive machines sit idle? CalibroFlexGauge eliminates this frustration by delivering fast, precise measurements directly on the shop floor. No more delays. As an absolute measurement system, it requires no mastering, ensuring hassle-free operation. Plus, with built-in temperature compensation, it maintains consistent accuracy even in fluctuating environments. Maximize your efficiency, reduce downtime, and keep your production line running smoothly with CalibroFlexGauge. CalibroFlexGauge is designed to meet the exact demands of the shop floor, with continuous temperature compensation that adjusts for both body and part temperatures in real time. Its superior speed, acceleration, and 0.1 micron resolution provide rapid, ultra-precise measurements, dramatically reducing inspection cycle times. Built for accuracy even in fluctuating conditions, the robust structure minimizes offsets and deformations through high thermal independence materials. Plus, with automatic time and temperature-based calibration management for styluses, CalibroFlexGauge ensures peak performance and reliability without manual intervention, so your team can focus on production, not recalibration.